Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to log in Etisalat mobile banking app on your iPhone in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Open the Etisalat app. First unlock your iPhone and locate the Etisalat mobile banking app, also known as My Etisalat. Tap on the app icon to open it. Step 2. Reach the login screen. Once the app opens, you will see home or welcome screen. Make sure your iPhone is connected to the internet using Wi-Fi or mobile data. Step 3. Enter mobile number or username. Now enter your registered mobile number, email or username linked to your Etisalat account. Then tap continue to proceed. Step 4. Enter your password or OTP. Next, enter your password. If OTP login is selected, enter the one-time password sent to your registered mobile number. Step 5. Use Face ID or Touch ID. If enabled, you can log in quickly using Face ID or Touch ID. This provides faster and more secure access. Step 6. Tap login. After entering your details, tap the login button. Please wait a moment while the app verifies your information. Step 7. Access your account. You are now successfully logged in. From the dashboard, you can check usage, pay bills, recharge and manage your Etisalat service. And that's how you can easily log in into the Etisalat mobile app on your iPhone. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.